Hello guys, myself Rakesh from ExpoHub. Today we'll be learning how do you extract PDF data. So please watch till the end of the video. So PDF, right? So PDF generally when you get invoices which are generally printed on a document, right? And then when you do a soft copy, you generally take a photo and then that becomes an image, right? And in the PDF itself, in the soft copy itself, there will be a lot of images, and how do you literally extract them? So this PDF activity comes into handy, and we will learn that. So first, let me start a process, and I will say PDF automation, and I click on create. Okay. Now, pause that. When you go to activities, if you have not already installed PDF, the moment you type PDF, you would not find any of the activities over here, right? There is no activities for PDF. Now, how do you get these activities? So first thing first, go to manage packages. You can get this by Ctrl+P. So once you do that, go to all packages, and here you just type PDF. Okay, and out of all that you need to install UiPath PDF activities and click on install. Okay, and then click on save. The moment you click on save, this prompt would come. Click on I accept, and all the dependencies will get downloaded, and you can see the activities now. Now if you type PDF, you can see there are multiple activities. Now let me switch back to the PPT. So here you can see the bot is ready. Now there are different types of PDF activities, starting from read PDF with OCR, read PDF text, manage PDF password, join PDF, extract PDF page range. So there are many, right? So earlier in the earlier version we had only two different PDF activities, read PDF and read PDF with OCR. Now there are multiple activities been added, so that's fine. We will understand how to use them, right? So let's get back to UiPath. Now here what I will do, first let me create a workflow or a flow chart. I will say PDF automation. So that's the main project, and this is the flow. So I can have multiple flow charts and sequences as the project requires. So now inside this, what I will do, I will start with a new sequence. So I will type a sequence and we will start using those activities. Okay, so this is my first sequence, and I can do a right click as start as node, done. And now the next thing that I will be doing is entering the PDF activities. I'll go back to activities, and here I will type PDF, and you can see there are two things. So first thing, we will learn about the read PDF text. Okay, so now in the read PDF text, it will ask you the file name. Click on this buttons, okay, and select your file. My file, I have kept it in the downloads. So ExpoHub hands-on, I'll click on open. So now the file is ready. Now on the right hand side on the property panel, if you see, in case if your PDF has a password, you can enter it over here. Okay, that is the password handler. Next one is the range, right? The range I have all because I would be reading all the pages. Instead of all, in case you want to read only one page, you can say 1. If you want to read 2 pages, 1 to 2 or 1 to 5, depending on the kind you want. Okay, so in this case, I'd be reading all the pages. Okay, so let us have a look of the PDF, how the PDF document is looking like, and then we will run this. So let me open the hands-on. So this is a simple PDF. If you see this all are text. I can click, you can see that the mouse cursor is coming. So these are all text, but below this text inside image, if you see, this is an image. I cannot click, right? This is a complete image, and this is a plain text, right? So we will see how to use this read PDF and extract the data. So this is the image. Now let's go back to UiPath, and what I will do, I will create an output variable, Control K, and I will give the variable name as output. Done. And then I want to add a message box. I'll click on activities and I will type message box and drag it, drop it here, and here I will simply say output. The other thing is I can also write to a file. Okay, I can write to a file. For the moment, I will write to a notepad. Let's say write text file. Okay, I'm going to drag this, drop it here, and all I have to do is the output is in the variable output, and the file name is something I can click on this button, and if there is no file, it is going to automatically create inside your project. Okay, so I'm going to give a title, Notepad ExpoHub output. Okay, whatever name you would like to give that, and it will automatically create a file once you execute it. All right, so let's run it. So I'll go back to my workflow and I'm going to save this and run it. Okay, now you can see it has extracted the data ExpoHub. Now we will compare with the PDF that we have already opened. So this is the PDF. So you can see that all the data has come, ExpoHub has come, this text has been extracted, plain text below has been extracted, but the only problem here is text inside image. This is a text, right? So this has been extracted, but the actual image where we had text, that could not be extracted. Okay, so this is a limitation when you go with read text. So there's another, option, that is read PDF with OCR, right? OCR is what? OCR is optical character recognition. All right, so we have got multiple different OCR engines, right? Tesseract is actually the Google one, and the cloud versions also we have Abby OCR, we have Microsoft OCR. So depending on the OCR engine, there are engines. Sometimes, let's say, there are Microsoft OCR is better for certain images, and for certain images I would consider Abby and sometimes Google. So you have to keep an hit and trial and see which one works best for you. You go with that OCR engine. Now for our example, we will just go back, and what we will do, so this activity was of read PDF text. So I have not yet used the OCR activity. So right now I'm going to use the OCR activity. So let's do that. I will go back to the workflow, and here I'm going to type sequence, and I will add another sequence, and I'm going to keep it this side, and I'm going to right click, start as node. Alright, so this is done. Now inside this sequence, what I will do, this is for the OCR, right? So I will just give a name, OCR, and go to activities, type PDF, and here I'm going to use read PDF with OCR. Okay, now again I will use the same file because last time it was not able to extract the image. I'll go to downloads and ExpoHub hands-on. I'll click on open. Done. Now what is happening? There is still an error, if you see. Now how do I fix this? By adding the engine, right? Drop OCR engine. So for that I'll go back to activities, type OCR, and here I'll be using the Google engine. Okay, this is Tesseract, nothing but the Google engine. I'm going to drop this out here, and the error is gone. In the same activities I will drop again as a message box to see the output. Okay, and below that I will just, again I'm going to declare another variable called Control K, and then type OCR output. Okay, this is the OCR output is the variable. All I will do here is I will just type OCR output as the variable, and then below that I would also use the write text activity to write it to notepad. Okay, so now here I will give the output variable, which is OCR output. Hit on tab, and now write the file name. Click on this buttons, 3 buttons, and then here you can say OCR output, right? And click on save. Now let's run this and see. Last time it did not pull the image data, so we will see if this time it is capable of doing it. Okay, now the engine has started reading the document. Okay, now you can see text inside image, welcome to ExpoHub. You can see it has very well was able to pull the text inside the image box, right? Wherein in the previous case it was not able to do that. Let's do one thing. We have also saved it to the notepad, so let's see the notepad file. For that I have to go to documents and I have to go to UiPath and the PDF automation project, and below that I have something called OCR output, right? So I'll open that using notepad, and you can see that text inside image. So this text also has been extracted, right? And the previous output, which is notepad ExpoHub output, for this one if you see the text inside, below this there is no text. So that is what we have learned about two different activities of UiPath. One is read PDF with OCR and the other one is in this sequence, which was read PDF text. Okay, and apart from that guys, there are other activities too. Okay, so this would become a trial to check. You have to try all this out to see. These are very simple activities. All, as you have already understood this, using all these activities is quite simple. In case you have any questions, please do comment. I am going to make another video for you guys to understand all these activities. So please keep watching the videos uploaded by ExpoHub. Please do like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you. You have a wonderful day guys.